Welcome to Seacoast Real Estate Academy. Today in our math tutorial series, we will be reviewing linear measurement. You will need to know how to convert between inches, feet, yards, and miles. Here's a list of different measurements that you will need to remember. Problems will use terms like foot, linear foot, running foot, or front foot. If they are not labeled, front foot is the first dimension provided. Let's do a question together. A rectangular lot is 75 feet by 200 feet. The cost to fence this lot is priced running foot. How many running feet will be used to calculate the price of the fence? For this, let's just add up all the footage. 75 feet plus 200 feet plus 75 feet plus 200 feet equals 550 running feet. A parcel of land that fronts the water is for sale for $4,500 per front foot. What will it cost to purchase this parcel of land if the dimensions are 150 feet by 100 feet? 150 feet is the frontage because this is the first number provided. 150 feet multiplied by $4,500 equals the cost to purchase this parcel at $675,000. If you like this video, feel free to share it with a friend. For more real estate education content, please subscribe to the channel. From all of us at Seacoast Real Estate Academy, thank you for watching.